cluster teachers have been working successfully together for some years. Back in 2015, a decision was made by principals to work together to moderate our work. This was popular with our teachers and they took a lot away from it, and they wanted to do this more often. A team of leaders from the schools found a way to make this happen on a more regular basis. The teachers started using the Griffin Assessment Protocol as a tool to ensure we had more common practices between our primary schools.
Because of the success of this early work and enthusiasm of our teachers for collaborating together, we applied for funding to take our learning focus to the next level. Our application was successful and marked the beginning of the Middle Years Literacy Project. This meant we could have a key leader focused on bringing our 8 schools together to improve the quality of teaching and learning for all of our students.
From here we used key research to inform next steps in the project, and then brought in educational experts to deliver professional learning to our teachers. This included working with Vic Zabar, Colin Sloper and Dr. Janelle Wills, all renowned in their field. These sessions are critical because they allowed all of our teachers from all of our schools to hear the same message before refining their practice.
Teachers from all our schools continued coming together twice each term to discuss and share teaching practices, student learning, and the implementation of the instructional model that had been created together. This started with a focus on learning goals and success criteria, moved to the review and reflect phase, and most recently quality tasks.
In addition to this, schools continue to meet frequently and individually school meetings with our middle years coordinators to continue embedding the learning. Our teachers have also had the opportunity to visit different colleagues in different schools across the cluster to learn from each other. The Middle Year Literacy Project has played a key part in connecting teachers within our cluster.
As a result of all this hard work, we have achieved a common language in all classrooms, such as learning goals and success criteria. Our schools have created our own instructional model to guide the teaching process, and our learning has become visible. It is clear what we are learning and what we need to do to be successful.
In addition to this, our work is being published in Vic Zabar and Pamela Macklin's revised edition of his international bestseller, Driving School Improvement. So other schools around the world can learn from what our teachers have been doing. Also, other schools from outside of our cluster are wanting to learn from our ways of working.
Principals as lead learners collectively and in their own schools will support all teachers to continue focusing on embedding the instructional model in their classrooms. In addition to the work already undertaken, school leadership teams will collaborate and lead to ensure that teachers are able to continue working with colleagues right across the cluster to refine and enhance their practice. We would like to acknowledge and congratulate our teachers for striving to be the best teachers they can be in a classroom where it really matters.